Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. So in this video, we will be going through the core areas in robotics and the branches of it. Okay, so let's have a quick look. Okay, let's dive into it. So here are the core areas of robotics, meaning the domain called robotics is a combination of all these engineering disciplines. Okay, as I mentioned earlier, robotics is a multidisciplinary branch of engineering. Okay, it consists of computer science, mechanical, electrical, electronics, mathematics. I mean, it's a combination of multiple branches. So, learning robotics is not that easy, in my opinion, because you should require a basic understanding of almost all these domains. You may not be a master of all these branches, but at least you should understand what is happening in each domains. Okay, then only you can create a robot. For example, if you want to create or if you want to prototype a robot, you have to model it. So, in order to do that, you should have some mechanical engineering background, or you should need to know like some CAD modeling. And then, if you want to create some circuit, again, electronics and electrical engineering background will be helping. So if you want to program a robot, you should have some idea about the programming, right? So computer science engineering comes into the picture. And the mathematical aspect of it, like if you want to design a robot, the mathematics, control system, all these things is coming to the picture. So that's why I mentioned like in order to prototype a robot, you should be a jack of all trades. Okay? You should at least understand some basics of it. And then the next slide is about the specializations in robotics. Okay. As I mentioned earlier, robotics is a very big area. Okay, very big topic. So under that, there are multiple specialization. There are industrial robotics, meaning they're dealing with industrial robots, which is using for manufacturing, okay, mainly using in industries. And then service robots for assisting humans, medical robots for surgery, diagnosis, okay, humanoid robots. So humanoid robotics deals with building humanoid robots, which is mimicking human body and structure. Then mobile robotics, again, it's very important. You already seen the warehouse robots, right? So all belongs to the mobile robotics. Defense, entertainment, underwater, space, all these are some of the domains or some of the sub branches of robotics. Okay, some specialization under robotics. And this is not the complete list. I also included another diagram for showing other areas like cloud robotics, then robot mapping, even AI can become under robotics. So you may can see specialization in robotics and AI. Okay, so it is the combination of these things. Then swarm robotics, aerial robotics, meaning drones, autonomous car, then human computer interaction. I mean, the list actually continues. Okay, the list is actually very big, right? So, this is actually robotics. I mean, it is not limited to one subject, it is a very big area. It consists of many sub branches. It consists of some core area, which are like mechanical, electrical, electronics. Okay, and these specializations. So I hope you got an understanding about the robotics. Okay, it's very big. So it's not that easy to learn. You need a passion to learn and specialize in any of the domains in robotics. Okay, so see you in the next video.